Today we are flying Cessna 303 from Germany to the United States. I'm here today with Christophe. Christophe is my friend from Austria.
60, 70.
Konstantin is my name, Konstantin. We have a problem with the right engine starter.
Give me a little push.
Fixed. Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin Fechenko, KFEAvia. Today we are flying Cessna 303 from Germany to the United States. We are doing the pre-flight check. Let's do it together. Looks good. He wanted to run away. I'm here today with Christophe. Christophe is my friend from Austria, a very good pilot. I met him by YouTube, no? Probably.
Good question.
Yeah. But now we are flying together to the United States. Let's get this thing started and off we go. We have all this gear right here. The GPS tracker, charger connected. Looks funny, huh? We have this GPS tracker, ARS system, which gives us synthetic vision together with the for-flight subscription. And we have a life raft, life vests, and we will rent the dry suit from Wick Airport in the United Kingdom.
So we have a short field takeoff. Flaps are already set to 10 degrees. We will go straight ahead and pitch for blue line, which is 96.
Sarah, auf der 27 abflugbereit und ja, ich soll dir sagen, du sollst das Video bitte nicht vergessen.
So this is good. This is
Landing lights, all that stuff. You have
It's
it
all on.
Perfect. There you go. Just checking.
perfect. Everything is fine. You ready?
You ready? I take it from you, okay?
Yep. Speed is left 40.
Check.
55. 60. 70. 75. Positive rate. He is coming up.
I would start increasing speed.
Yeah, we are cleared deep.
Yeah, nothing is there. It's okay.
Departure time 0842, good flight ET.
42, Dankeschön. Machst du uns den Flugbahn dann auf, bitte?
Ich bin gerade dabei.
Merci. Destination Echo Hotel Tango Echo.
Okay.
Shall we try the heater? It gets cold a bit, huh?
Yeah, turn it on.
Cabin heat pull on. Yeah, now heater. The overheat doesn't look nice, huh? Oh shit! I switch it off. No heater on this flight. I go back and get myself dressed.
Yeah, it's not working either, so. We don't need any parking brakes now. Electrical equipment off, throttles to magnetos off.
Let's go and refuel. We have an RBP card which we're gonna be using. We have RBP fuel station right just here. The letter C stands for control tower. That's where we usually pay the landing fees. Oh, it's open. Hello, Konstantin is my name. Konstantin. I'm flying to America and I'm doing YouTube, as I said, and I have a sticker. Is it possible to put it somewhere so people can scan it?
Of course. Just you see all the posters on there?
Yes.
Oh,
Perfect.
let's copy. This one is. And that. And that one is.
Always good hot water for such long flights in a cold airplane. Nice and sunny. Clear prop is not control, huh? Not controlled airport.
It is, but you can start, of course, it's really far.
Ah, okay. Left side is clear. Oil pressure check. Checking right. Left. Hi, Constantine is my name.
Thijs.
What was yours?
I was here before, Teuntje.
She's cool, huh?
First time for everything, right?
Yeah.
This is Theo Arends.
Theo, hi. My name is Constantine. Maybe you remember me. Yeah, we have a starter problem. Hi, Paul. All good. Besides our starter on this airplane, which I fly to the United States. And this airplane, guys, belongs to Paul. Watch the vlog with Paul right just here. The link is above. Hi.
Let me check out.
We can pay double to get it today and fly away. We need a beer. So here is our starter. I can feel the smell even from 50 centimeters. It smells like a good barbecue.
Mag jij even dit helemaal goed schoonmaken? Dat handreinigen en die doek.
touch the starter, and if it starts they will close the cowling and off we go then. Otherwise we will have to stay here until tomorrow. So, and trying. And nothing. That's it, our friends. We are leaving this aeroplane here. We might be going today by car to Mönchengladbach, which is 2 hours drive, to pick up the new starter, which will be available tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning, and continue our flight. Meanwhile, hit the like button. Don't forget like button, comment, everything. It's for free. Hi, beauty. I need the car. Yeah, finally we are here. We have the car. Oh, that's the sport version. All the best, bye-bye. It's a little bit better than our plane, huh?
At least it has a
Starter.
starter. Just
Let's check it up.
No, just joking.
Works. Our party. Finally.
The next day.
Morning. Clear prop. We need one of this, one of this, one of this. Morgan. we need one of this, one of this, one of this. You're from Russia, no? Ukraine. Я тоже. Здрасте. Костя.
Это прекрасно.
Нам надо одна штука, стартер. I want to change everything. It will be a new plane. I want to live here. We are in heaven. Aviators heaven. Thank you very much. Vielen Dank.
Gerne.
Let's get rolling. So, starter unboxing in the car. Smells like new. I hope the starter replacement will do its job, but what I show here is the clutch, and the starter is rotating this shaft via the spring inside. So the spring inside might be the problem. We hope not, because nobody knows where we can get this thing new. The second hand, probably on the eBay. So, while I was having my coffee and talking to the maintenance staff, the new starter is installed. Fingers crossed, let's try it. Okay, battery master is on. Checking the right side, clear prop.